All right, guys. So we are going to discuss the next classification algorithm, which is very important from the classification perspective, because we have already discussed the logistic regression and random forest. We're gonna see in the demo that it outperformed the logistic regression, and that's based on the construction of the random forest, the way it actually behaved. So the very first thing that you need to understand that the random forest is consisting of many decision trees. So it's not like we're gonna see something from the sky. We have already discussed the internal mechanics of the random forest, and if you want to see the introduction to decision tree and the mathematical evidence, so I'm gonna put the link into the description of this video. Please watch those videos that will help you to understand not only the decision tree, but as well as the how the mathematically we drive the decision tree model to predict or classify the outcome. Now, where random forest stands, so you can imagine the analogy is very practical and natural. So forest normally consist of many trees. So obviously our random forest classifier is going to be consist of many decision tree, with the exception that all these trees are going to be constructed based on the randomness. And now what does it mean? That each tree gonna have the random attributes as well as the random values, which are going to be picked from the data set that we are going to feed into the random forest model. And now we can specify the number of trees that it can use to classify or predict the outcome, and we're gonna see in the demo how that the change of number can impact on the efficiency of the prediction, and how it normally predict the class of the object. It takes a word, so it's more like, every tree has the result, and every tree is saying. So for example, this this object is going to be the cat. So for example, we are detecting the object, so we have 5 trees, and 3 of the trees are saying, oh, these that image is classified as cat. Now 2 trees are saying, no, that image is classified as bird. But because the majority is classifying as the cat, so the random forest is gonna classify the object as cat. So you can see that's how it actually do the classification, but the whole internal mechanics is purely based on the decision tree, and we can increase or decrease the decision tree to just adjust the accuracy of the prediction, and that requires a lot of testing. Like I mentioned, although it's all depend upon the randomness. So whenever it comes to the randomness, we know we have to do a lot of hit and try to achieve the optimization, and obviously we have additional optimization technique that we can apply on the random forest classifier to improve the outcome. And even like I mentioned, theoretically we won't run only a single algorithm in the production. We run multiple algorithm, and then we see what's the common outcome, and then we take the common one, or what's the most occurring outcome of the different algorithm for our problem set, right? So that's something we're gonna see at the later stage once we have 5-6 algorithm in our bag, and then we start running to see which one actually predict the what prediction is gonna come most from each algorithm, and that's what we will actually take it as a final prediction, right? So that's the random forest classifier. Very simple, because we have already discussed the decision tree, and we discussed the mathematical derivation of the decision tree. If you want to see, you can go and check the LinkedIn article as well. I just put all the mathematical calculation in there, so it can help you to understand there as well. Now, so just to show you, obviously, thanks for Wikipedia to put that image on their website. You can see that that's how the random forest classifier looks like. It has many trees, and every tree is defining the class of the object, and whatever is going to be the majority vote, that is going to be the final class. So that's a very quick and I would say easy to understand intro to our random forest classifier. And obviously, in order to understand it, you have to watch the previous two video. And in the next video, we're gonna see the random forest classifier in action in the PySpark environment. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next demo video.